Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can set your phone ringtone in your Vivo smartphone, how you can set, customize and download it. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it and like our video. So let's start. First you have to go to the settings option. Then you can see there is a sound and vibration also. Just swipe down, you can see there is a phone ringtone and you can just choose one of them like this. By this, and it is automatically selected. And if you want snoozing, blues, calling, it is a vibrate style, and you can use also custom ringtones. You can just choose from this also, and you can notification ringtone. Go to settings and then you can see you can just select this and it is automatically set. And you can use custom ringtone if you have downloaded once in your file manager. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video for more videos. Thanks for watching.